Welcome back. The selection of films for Indian Panorama at IFFI 2011 is complete. Total 24 feature films, 21 non-feature films will be screened at the 42nd International Film Festival of India. O Maria, a Konkani movie by Rajendra Talak, will also be screened in the Indian Panorama section.
10-member jury for feature films headed by renowned filmmaker Sai Paranjpe selected 24 films out of 118 eligible entries. Urumi, a Malayalam movie directed by Santosh Sivan, is the opening film of the Indian Panorama 2011. It took the jury almost 21 days to finalize the selection. 5-member jury headed by well-known writer-director Shri Ashok Rane picked 21 films out of 135 eligible entries in non-feature film category. Advait Sangeet, a Hindi movie directed by Makarand, is the opening film. Our reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has assured malaria workers that their appointment letters will be issued within 3 days. However, malaria workers are not in a mood to withdraw their hunger strike on oral assurance. They have decided to continue their hunger strike till they get appointment letters. Leader of the opposition has given a week-long deadline to the government, else BJP will join the agitation.
The agitated malaria workers on Monday marched to the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath's residence at Altin. They are on hunger strike from last 5 days with their long-pending demand to regularize their services. However, they were blocked near the church square by Panji police. The health conditions of many of these workers seems critical. Only 5-member delegation was allowed to meet Chief Minister. Premdas Gaukar said that their hunger strike will continue till they get formal appointment letters.
सीएम आमकां एश्युरन्स दिला पण तो एश्युरन्स आमी द्या एश्युरन्स पावके एश्युरन्स दिवपा पण आमी थंय आमी सीएमान एकूच सांगला की जो पण आमकां ऑर्डर आहा तो पण आमी सत्तरी हाडचे ना आमचा निर्णय आहा तो पक्को आहा.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath said that he will try to give them justice within 3 days.
गव्हर्नमेंटान तांचे खातीर 87 पोस्ट क्रिएट केल्ले 2009. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली तांकां तांचे फक्त 11 लोकांक तेन्ना रेग्युलरायज केल्या बाकीच्यांक करूं ना. आता सध्या त्यांची कितें भवितव्य 67 जे आसा तांकां हांवें सांगलां करता म्हणून.
Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar also met Chief Minister. Parrikar urged CM to give them justice and regularize them as early as possible. Parrikar said that if government fails to regularize them within a week, BJP will join malaria workers' agitation.
आणि हांव आतांच सगळ्या मुख्यमंत्र्याकूय सांगूंक सोदता आनी हेल्थ मिनिस्टराकूय सांगूंक सोदता की सोमार पर्यंत जर तांच्यांनी हाजेर निर्णय घेतले चवथी खेप फकाणां जाल्ली यू कांट ट्रीट देम लायक दीस. तर सोमार पर्यंत जर पूर्ण सारको क्लियर निर्णय घेतलो ना जाल्यार आमकांय तांच्या बरोबर एजिटेशनान जॉयन जातले आमीय जॉयन जातले.
However, malaria workers have decided to take a morcha on Health Minister's residence on Tuesday. Our reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Voices against Regional Plan 2021 are growing across the state. Kasauli, Aroshi, Kuveli, Civic and Consumer Forums has now demanded scrapping of RP 2021. Forum had a meeting on Sunday. They have given an ultimatum to the government to withdraw the RP by 5th December. Kasauli, Aroshi and Kuveli Civic and Consumer Forum organized an awareness meeting on RP 2011 on Sunday. Advocate Yatish Naik and former MLA Mathani Saldana highlighted flaws and manipulations in the RP 2011. Mathani blamed Chief Minister Digambar Kamath for false assurances.
वेस्ट इंडीज देशाचे आयकता आपणाच्या सादोवपाचे हाताचे आयकता आनी गोंयकारांक काबार करपाक सोदता हें तुमकां दिश्टी पडटा. आतां नोई फट आमच्या मुखेलमंत्र्यान तुमकां सांगल्या आनी ती फट म्हणजे बारीक बारीक डिस्प्यूटां आहा चुकी कडेन जाल्ल्यो आसतल्यो त्यो आमी सारके करतले.
Member of Prudent Citizens Forum, Advocate Yatish Naik, has termed it as the second opinion poll.
हो ओपिनियन पोल आसा गोंय म्हणून उरचें गोंयकार कोण उरचे की गोंय हेर राज्या भशेन आनी एक राज्य जावन भारतान पडून उरचें.
This is how some of the villagers expressed their feelings.
नाका आमकां शेतां पुरोवन इमारती उपकार मागता शेतां पार दवरचे परस कश्ट करपाच्या हातान दिवची. उपकार मागता कश्ट करपाच्या हातान दिवची. ह्या कासावले आरोसी कुवेली गांवचे पूत धुवो आमी. या कासावले आरोसी कुवेली गांवचे पूत धुवो आमी. भाव भयणा जावनूच जगची आमी. झाडां पाडां शेतां भाटां नैसर्गिक संपत्ती आमची.
Our reporter from Kansauli, Surendra Madkaikar. Finally, Goa got its voice. Akash Telugu and Queenie Fernandez won the 7th Kingfisher Voice of Goa. Akash won in the Konkani category, whereas Queenie won in the English category. Here are a few glimpses of the finale.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Akash Telugu!
Karzantan mukelo jurame dilo abkat tu venkelo karzak toploi bhalo.
In the English category is Queenie Fernandez!
Performance by Bombay Viking added more flavor to the musical evening. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Time now to take a short break. Stay tuned.